Hello, and welcome to our channel. My name is Stephanie, and I am a Reiki Master Teacher, Sound Practitioner, and Energy Channeler. And the time of this recording, it is the 4-4 portal. And 4 is about foundation. It's the cornerstones of what you build upon. And when you double that, 4-4, you get the Master Builder number. And if you add the 4 and 4 together, you get 8. And 8 is infinity, which reminds us that we get to start over again and again and again. And I am bringing forth this session to help release false foundations. Foundations that you may have made from fear, obligation, or scarcity. And we're anchoring into truth, strength, and light. So if you haven't already, find yourself a comfortable place to set into, whether you're sitting or lying down and won't be disturbed or too disturbed. Sometimes life happens, right? So pause this if you need to do that. And this will be a Reiki energy healing session. So if you're open and receptive to receive Reiki energy healing for the highest and best good for what you need at this time, you can just say yes in your mind's eye. And if not, that's okay. It will bypass you because Reiki is intelligent. So I want you to close your eyes and begin to settle into your breath. And as you take a few deep breaths, I am going to connect to you energetically using sacred Reiki symbols that connect throughout all time and space. So no matter when you're finding this session, you will still get the energy you need in any moment. So go ahead and inhale deeply through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth a few times while I do the connection. And putting around us a beautiful golden bubble of light around our spaces, our homes, whatever room you're in, the technology that you're using to listen to this, protected by the angels, calling in Archangel Michael, Archangel Metatron, overseeing, holding. And I'm now connected to you energetically. Just take one last breath in and out. And then begin to breathe normally. Feel yourself being held, supported, grounded. Now bring awareness to your body, doing a scan from head to toe. And without judgment, just observing where you may be holding tension, pressure, or weight. Just acknowledge it. Maybe breathing into that space, letting the breath release the tension, the weight. Just noticing. Noticing the breath itself without changing it. Are you breathing into the chest? Are you breathing into the belly? Feel the air come in through the nostrils. Feel it leaving. Feel the coolness going in and the warmth flowing out. Now imagine yourself, and whether you can see this or just sense or feel it, either is perfect. Imagine yourself or feel yourself standing in a vast open space. Whatever space shows up for you is fine. Beneath your feet is the foundation of your life. This foundation represents everything that you've built upon. Your beliefs, your choices, your patterns, your survival strategies. Just begin to look down. What does your foundation look like? Is it cracked, uneven, worn down? Or does it feel strong, stable, and supported? I want you to gently ask yourself, what have I been building my life on? And let that answer rise without forcing it or filtering it. What have I been building my life on? And you may notice things such as fear, obligation, people-pleasing, scarcity, old identities, outdated roles, or maybe it's the complete opposite. Just witness it. Now, with deep compassion for yourself, see the areas of your foundation that are cracked, broken, or unstable. These are the places that were built on fear, on pressure, on survival. And you no longer need to hold them. So with each exhale, begin to release the rubble. See pieces breaking away, dissolving, or crumbling into dust. Let the false foundations fall. There's freedom in this. Feels good to let go. And you may imagine sweeping it away, light dissolving it, or wind carrying it off of your foundation. And I am sending Reiki to help clear this rubble, this dust, these false, untrue foundations. And you can say silently or out loud, I release what was built from fear. I release what was built from obligation. I release what is not aligned with my truth. And feel the lightness as the weight begins to lift. You are not destroying yourself. You are refining your truth. So let that hold you. And I'm bringing in the energy of the sacred geometry of the cube. And this is an onyx cube. And this is the geometry of structure. This is the root. So we are now going to rebuild with light. So beneath you, a radiant light begins to grow and glow. You might see this as a golden white light. Whatever color comes for you is perfect. This light is your truth. It's your alignment and your divine support. Feel it beneath you, glowing brighter, growing, and it rises up, filling in every crack and every gap. Where there is instability, there is now only solid light. Strong, steady, unshakable. And feel your foundation becoming grounded, secure, aligned, supported. We're going to begin to anchor in new codes. I build my life on truth. I build my life on self-trust. I build my life on alignment. I am supported in what I am creating. And feel this energy locking into place. Like sacred geometry forming beneath you. Like that cube, perfectly structured, perfectly aligned. Now feel yourself or sense yourself standing tall on this new foundation. Notice how your body feels. Maybe more stable, more clear, more powerful, lighter, joyful. Take a deep breath in and exhale, sealing this energy into your body. Helping to seal it in with Reiki. And know that from this moment forward, you are building differently, consciously, intentionally. You are no longer building from survival. You are building from truth. And when you are ready, you can drop these visuals and gently bring your awareness back to your body. Wiggling your fingers and your toes. Softly opening your eyes. And I am now disconnecting from the session, so be it. So it is. We give thanks to all the helpers and beings that came in today to help us with this session. And remembering that this was a healing. So do take care of yourself. Drink a glass of water, eat something healthy, and rest if you need to rest to help integrate this session, help integrate your new codes. You can also check our website for our interactive aura sprays. So they are sessions that are similar to this, but they're more extensive, such as our 3-week luminous auric field one. And these are a physical anchor with the ceremonial sprays, and then you get the session with it. And if you are local to Milwaukee, then you can check out our live group events or our one-on-one sessions. I will link everything below. And please like, subscribe, or share if you did enjoy this. It helps us to get out there so that we can do more good work. And thank you all for joining, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye for now.